Welcome to our channel. Activating PayPal on your phone for contactless payments is simple and secure. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it installed on your phone. Step 2. Open the PayPal app and sign in with your email address and password. If you don't have a PayPal account, create one by following the registration prompts. Step 3. Link a payment method to your PayPal account. Add a credit card, debit card, or bank account that you'll use for in-store purchases. Step 4. Enable contactless payments within the PayPal app. Look for settings related to in-store or contactless payments and make sure the feature is turned on. Step 5. Set up a PayPal QR code for in-store payments. Navigate to the Pay or Send section of the app to access your unique QR code. Step 6. Make sure location services are enabled for the PayPal app. This helps you find nearby stores that accept PayPal and can improve your checkout experience. Step 7. At a participating store, tell the cashier you're paying with PayPal. Show your QR code for them to scan, or scan the merchant's QR code displayed at checkout. Step 8. Confirm the payment amount on your phone and authorize the transaction. Check your PayPal app for the receipt and confirmation of your purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.